In this video, we are going to help you connect your Canon PIXMA TS706 printer to your existing Wi-Fi network. This means that you'll be able to print and scan from any compatible device that is also on that network. Firstly, make sure your router is available and properly set up, and that you know the name and password of your network. Make sure your printer is plugged in and turned on. Using the operations panel, press the settings button, which looks like this, and make the following selections. Press Wi-Fi Setup and then Manual Connect. The printer will search for existing Wi-Fi networks nearby. Select your Wi-Fi network and press OK. You will be prompted to enter your password and can use the arrow keys to scroll through the letters. Use the OK button to select each one. To toggle between uppercase, lowercase and numbers, press the Settings button. When you have finished entering your password, hold down the OK button. The printer will ask you if you wish to apply this password. Select Yes by using the OK button. It will now take a few moments to connect. When it has joined your existing Wi-Fi network, it will read Connected. Press OK. Congratulations, your Canon printer has now been added to your Wi-Fi network. You can go ahead and print and scan directly over your network, as well as set up any additional devices for wireless printing and scanning.